guys, now we're ready to make a nature journal. And nature journals are really good because you can record all sorts of stuff that you're observing outside. So what you need is a piece of cardstock. This is going to be your cover. You can make it any color you like. You can decorate it any way you want, but you need one piece of cardstock. You need some more cardstock, but let's make that white because these are going to be the pages. This is what you're going to write your entries on, do your drawings, all sorts of stuff. So you want to be able to see it. I have six pieces of cardstock. When folded over, makes 12 pages. You may want some more, okay? But 6 is good to start with. And then I also have a couple of pieces of twine. If you don't have twine, you can use any kind of string, yarn, whatever will hold it together. You could even use bread bag twist ties, okay? And a hole punch. It's that simple. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna fold your pages in half, okay? Now you may not be able to fold, if you have a bunch, you may have to split them up, but take your hole punch, punch your holes in there. So there, and you can put them wherever you want, wherever you would like to put the ties. I only put 2 holes in them though. And then the same thing with your cover. You're gonna fold it in half and you're gonna use your little hole punch and punch your holes in there, okay? You wanna make sure these holes match up with these holes, all right? So be careful with that. What I would suggest doing is taking one piece of cardstock, white paper, and your cover, and punching those together, okay? All right, so we've got all our holes punched. You're gonna fold your cover in half. You're gonna fold all your cardstock in half, but they should already be folded in half if you made the holes. Make sure all the holes are lined up. Put the pages inside the cardstock. And I've got that upside down. Hang on just a second. There we go. Put the pages inside the cardstock, kind of give it a shake to make sure all the holes line up really well. So see, you can see through the holes, okay? Then you're gonna take your pieces of string, twine, whatever you've got, and you're gonna put it through the hole, and then you're gonna tie it really good. I would suggest tying a couple of knots, and then tying a couple of bows, because this way, if you have this nature journal out in the field, which you should, it won't fall apart. And you can also take it apart later on if you want to and add more pages. So there you go. So we've got one in, and here's the second one. Like I said, I would put a couple of knots in there. And don't worry if your string's too long. You can always cut the edges off. So let's go ahead and tie that. Tie a bow in it. And this is a very simple, easy to make nature journal, because now if you open it, you can go to the pages, put your entries in there. And like I said, you can decorate the cover any way you want. Make it your own, you know? If you guys don't want to make a nature journal and you'd rather go out and buy one, you can. But I just thought this would be more fun. And the best thing about this is we have kits here at the library that you can come pick up and do a starter nature journal just like this. Just stop by any one of our branches and ask for a Madison Natural Heritage Nature Journal Kit, or just say Nature Journal Kit. Everybody will know what you're looking for, okay? So, if you forget how to make this, we're done with this session and you completely forget, oh, how do I make that nature journal? We're gonna have this video on our YouTube channel as well as our Facebook page. So you can watch it over and over again in case you need to, okay? Because sometimes, yeah, I forget things a lot. So sometimes I have to go back and watch stuff too. All right, guys, there's your nature journals. Now I want you to go out and start doing stuff in these journals. See you later.